How to lock your Facebook profile on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile on your mobile phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now here, once you are in the profile settings page, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as lock profile. So here you simply have to tap on it and you will see information about what happens when you lock your profile. So here you simply have to tap on the button that says lock your profile at the bottom, and after that you'll get confirmation message saying that your profile is locked. And that's it. That's how you can lock your Facebook profile on mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.